120 degrees in the summer then.
Not really. Actually, we're starting to get a little bit cooler weather, so it's
Oh, it's
probably
down to
hot by most.
110.
This is hot, but yeah, this is it's starting to get tolerable now.
I'm in the other hot place, Florida. So, we're
No,
still in
okay,
the
yeah,
90s and I'm going, yeah, into what I call our summer. We
yeah.
we're ours are completely reversed. We look forward to those winter months,
In terms of what the end goal is, then I'm going to probably put a lot more energy and effort into figuring out how to convey that in that single.
by lighting, and it's just there's the difference between a professional and a not, right? And lighting is one of the most important ingredients of a good photograph. Really good lighting guy. So
Well, thank you.
you talk about authentic. By the way, I'm going to be getting some advice on what lights I need to buy.
Right. So there's no misconception. Somebody goes online and goes through a website or is looking through a